So this is how we can delete timers on the Apple Watch. Let's begin and let me show you how we can do this. So if you are first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe because I have so many tutorials which are gonna definitely help you out. Anyways, you have the first option of just going to your apps view and holding down on any of them to get to the edit view. And then next to the timers icon, you have the X button, which means that you get to literally delete the whole timers application on the Apple Watch. So if that's the thing you wanted to do, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can also open up the app, right? So we're not deleting it fully, but we're going to go to the timers which show up. And at the bottom of the page, we have the edit button. And this gives us the ability to basically either pin or delete the timers on the Apple Watch, right? So some specific ones or some of the times you have used in the past, like for example, like a 40 minutes timer or, 1 minute or something very specific, those can either be pinned to the top view with the yellow button or deleted with the, red minus icon, which just means that you will have the ability to just, of course, use the very same time for the timer, but you will have to just set it up manually, right? So that's how it works. That's how you can delete it. Let me know in the comments below what you exactly wanted to do and if you managed to achieve it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.